So continuation of Magicplan. So we have a dashboard here. So these are the 3 rooms, the whole ADU that we scan. So now if you want to focus on the bathroom, you click on the bathroom and then click on that, and so these are the numbers. That is the shower I just added by hitting insert, and there's also set size. So I'll figure that out later, but we'll insert a object, and you can put in a door, window, furniture, HVAC, electrical, kitchen cabinet, appliance, plumbing. So under plumbing, oval sink, oval bathtub, there's a toilet. Voila. So I'm gonna click on the toilet, I'm gonna rotate it, put the toilet somewhere right here. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna insert object again, and we're doing plumbing again. So we want a vanity. Oh, there's a corner bathtub, corner shower. Well, that's the shower I need right there, actually. So I'm gonna click on that. This shower I'm gonna delete. I'm gonna put this shower in. I'm just gonna sit like that. And we'll bring the toilet a little bit closer. Something like that. And then we're gonna go insert again, object, plumbing, and then now we need a oval sink with pedestal, corner sink with cabinet. Yeah, let's do a sink with cabinet. So there's my sink with cabinet. I'm gonna put it right here, and voila. So now I just have to do some set distance, and I gotta punch that in. Select a diagonally opposed corner to display and edit the diagonal. Select a diagonally opposed corner to display and edit diagonal dimensions. Alright, so I'll get into fine-tuning of this, but now let's see if we can export it. Report PDF. Get your PDF report in PDF format. Sketch PDF. Get your PDF format. Sketch file. 3D model. Statistics. Send a copy via email. Share with multiple recipients. Alright, let's try that. And that's it. Thanks for watching.